A pleasant day, everyone. Today we will have one examples each on differentiating a polynomial function, exponential function, product rule, quotient rule, and trigonometric function. Now, first let's have the polynomial function. So let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 squared. So what's the first derivative of this function? So first we will expand the expression, so we will write this twice. So we have 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2 since it is squared. Then we need to use the FOIL method of this expression. So 3 times x is equal to 9x, and then 3x times 2 is equal to 6x, so plus 6x, plus 2 times 3x is equal to 6x, plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now let's combine the terms. So we have f of x is equal to, this is squared, 9x squared, plus combine this one, so this will become 12x plus 4. Now in this form, it is very easy to find the first derivative. So f is equal to 9. So if we differentiate x squared, it is 2x. So you have 2x plus 12, and then x will always be, the derivative of x will always be 1. So it will become 1, and then constant is 0. So f prime of x is equal to 18x plus 12. So this is the answer. Now let's proceed to finding the derivative of exponential function. But first, here is the formula that we need to know. The derivative we have here, the derivative of e to the u, where u is some function is gonna be the same thing as e to the u but times the derivative of u. So here equals to e of u times 1. Now let's find the derivative of this expression using the formula. D of x is equal to e to the 5x plus 3. Now first let us rewrite the expression. So we have here e 5x plus 3 times the derivative of 5x plus 3 is 5. So 5. So the answer would be 5e raised to the 5x plus 3. So this is our final answer. Now let's proceed to the product rule of derivative. So let's say we have here r of x is equal to x squared plus 6 times 7 minus 8x times 3x minus 5x cube. This is cube. So what is prime of x? Now we have 3 factors. So how can we use product? So we have here 3 factors. So how can we use product rule when we have 3 factors? I mean 3 factors. Okay, not product, factor. So we will call this one our f. Okay, we will use another pen. This one is our f, this one is our g, and this one is our h. So what is the derivative of, we will first here, derivative of dx. F times g times h. So what is the derivative of this one? So first we differentiate. So we have here, before differentiating, we have here f prime of g of x plus f g of h. So as you can see, first differentiate the first part f, and then leave the other two same, and then differentiate the middle part, which is the g part, and then leaving the f and h the same way, and then the last differentiate the last part h, which is this one, and leave the f and g. So our prime is going to be equal to the derivative of the first part. So our derivative, the derivative of x squared is 2x. So we have here now r prime of r x is equals to, so we have here 2x. So because x squared, the derivative of x squared is 2x, so we will just, and then our 6 is a constant, then the derivative of constant is 0. So then we will just rewrite the g and h. So we have here 7 minus 8x, and then 3, or h, dx minus 5x3, plus, then rewrite the f times g prime. So we have here first our f. So our f is what? X squared plus 6, and then the g prime is negative 8. And then the derivative of, which is this one, comes from the derivative of 7 minus 8, which is negative 8. Now x times, it is times h, which is 3x minus 5x cubed, plus f, which will stay the same, and also g stays the same. We will just copy. We have here x squared plus 6, and then times 7 minus 8x, times our h prime, which is 3 minus 15x squared. So this is the answer. This is the answer, no need to simplify it. So that is the product rule. Now let's proceed to the quotient rule. So let's say we have here sine x divided by x, and we will use the quotient rule to find the derivative of this expression. So first, let's write the formula for us not to be confused on solving. So our formula is d derivative is equal to f divide g equal to g f 1 over a squared. So now let's first define the g and f r. So f and g r. So the f, the f is equal to sine x, and our g is equal to x, and the derivative of sine is cosine x, and then the derivative of x is 1. Now let's use the formula to solve the expression. So now here x, which is the derivative of sine x is cosine x, and then minus our f, which is sine x, times our g, which is x. No, our the derivative of x is 1, so you have here 1. This is sine x, sine x. So, and then over our g squared is 2x squared. So this one is really the answer. So the final answer is this one. The answer is x cos x minus sine x times 1 over x squared. So that is our answer. Now let's proceed to the last one, which is the trigonometric function. So the derivative of trigonometric function. So let's consider this example. So fx is equal to cos 5 tan sine x to the 5th power. So first, find the first derivative. So first, let us rewrite. So you have fx equals to cos tan sine x to the 5th power, and then we all raise to the 5th power. So let's move this 5 in front. So we will have here f prime x equals to 5 cos tan sine x to the fifth. Now, let's move inside. So let's find the derivative of the cosine. So the cosine, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So we will just copy the rest on sine x to the fifth. Now let's move to the tangent, derivative of the tangent. So tangent is, for the trigonometric function, so we have here f of x is equal to cos the power of 5 times tan times sine x to the power of 5, and then we will rewrite this one, so it becomes like this, and then all was raised to the power of 5. Now after that we move 5 in front, so this is the outcome. Now after which